Alright, welcome to Low and Filthy. Today we're gonna work on the Genesis. We're gonna swap out the brake pads and the rotors off the shell that I have. It has brand new pads and drilled and slotted rotors. And since that car doesn't get used, we're gonna just swap them over to this one. And we'll see what else we get into. Shake. Alright, we're straight. Thank God I have a bash bar. Damn, they're kind of loose. NASCAR hire me.
I think Van Pre's faster.
Yeah, because look how tight these bitches are on. Damn, bitch. Damn. That one's stuck. Damn, I can't get this shit.
No, mama.
You need daddy to come pop that bitch.
Pop it off. Go. We couldn't even get it off my dad's truck. We had the air gun. I don't know what. But I would have to bring the whole tank in.
You got it?
Yeah. That's why we.
Oh shit.
So we brought the gorilla out.
It's the nails, that's why.
Which one is it? This one right here? The nail?
We just took off my brake calipers. They say Bembo. Time to take off the rotor. The pads look pretty good, but we're gonna just change them out anyways because I got new ones. But alright, we'll cut to that when we get to it. Boom! We got it off.
Sheesh. Well, we got cat for sale, guys. You know, you want to start a side hustle? Just cut your cats out. You know, they're everywhere. Huh, Alex?
Yeah. Even that car got them. That car got them.
Yeah. Easy side hustle. Huh, Joey?
Facts. I don't even got them bitches in mine.
Alright, now we're gonna take the drilled and slotted rotors off my Geny shell and the brake pads, because when I got this car, it had, I think the dude only had them, he put them on right before I bought the car, and it's been sitting for almost a year, so why not throw it on my car? So that shit kind of loud, but should be pretty straightforward. Just take off the wheel, 2 bolts off the caliper, and then does this one have that too? Well, and I think just 1 bolt for the fucking rotor. It should be pretty straightforward. Ow! Fuck. Basically, just gotta clean them up. Yes, sir. Alright, let's take off the other side. Damn, Joey, what are you gonna do with me without me for 2 weeks?
I don't know.
You wanna come help Joey?
Yeah, what do you mean?
I'm trying to twist this, but I can't twist it.
What's it?
Oh, use the breaker bar, maybe.
Huh?
The breaker bar, the red one? Or try to see if you can spin this.
My way?
Yeah.
Oh shit. Hold it tight.
loosen it.
Yeah, I'll loosen up your booty.
Gotta get the right angle.
Hey, yo!
You gotta, your arm was in the way, you gotta grip it from the other way. Got it?
Yeah.
Damn.
Hey, my fender.
I fucking scratched the paint fucking today, fucking with the
Hey,
jack
yo.
stand.
I
I grabbed the jack stand and I walked past by the Z and fucking scraped my paint with it.
Nice. Oh shit, wait, hold on, that shit's tight as fuck.
You're tight as fuck.
I know. I think it broke. Alright, go again. I think it came loose. No, it didn't. Go again. Huh? Rest. Wait. Hey, yo. Hold on,
Just trying to get a good angle, bro.
Nigga, get off me.
Nigga, I'm trying to get a good angle. Damn.
Fuck your angle.
You gotta take one for the. Damn, it still didn't pop in?
No, I think it did.
Bro, I'm just trying to get the best angle for the viewers, bro. You know?
Wait, which way does it go? Yo, get your fucking dick off my shoulder.
That wasn't my dick, bro. That was my ball sack. Alright, Alex.
Huh?
Finally got it in?
Yeah.
Couldn't find the hole, huh?
Still can't find it. That's why I let her do it.
This is going on the internet with 28 people are gonna see this, bro.
I taught him the secret technique.
Secret technique?
Secret technique is you start with the fingers, so you know where it's at, and then you put it in, and you like put your fingers out. That's how you get it in.
Damn.
Find the hole every single time.
Tip for the subscribers.
Where'd the 17 go?
Oh shit, is it this one?
Damn.
Fuck you.
This gay niggas can't work on cars. Slowly. Damn, they go. Why you grab it like that?
Huh? That's how I grab my bitches.
Hey, yo, stop stealing my ankles.
You
You gotta subscribe to the OnlyFans for that one.
Sheesh. You saw my link the other day for the OnlyFans?
Yeah, my dumb ass clicked on it.
Joey heard bitches love guys that work on
that?
cars. So you know my voice started working on cars.
So I bought that bitch right there.
Sheesh.
That shit's not going.
How'd Joey try? So we got the muscles, bro.
Oh, there we go.
Sheesh.
Damn, that shit kinda hurt
Elbow
though.
grease into it.
Yeah.
That would put his whole fucking 150 pounds in it.
His whole but this.
How much you weigh, Alex?
65. Damn, I stripped it.
No. Let me see. No, Alex, Alex.
Bring me the WD-40. Porfa.
Why you say it like that?
What?
WD-40? Yeah, you said it kind of sucks, man.
I don't give a fuck, nigga. I'm tired.
You tired, horny, hungry?
You want me to spit on it? Which one you want me to spit on?
On me. No. Just chilling. Can you grab it?
Damn.
That bitch.
It's about to catch on fire.
Give me a little more WD-40 on it. Mix with that. Alright, check. Alright, we got one side.
Hey, my boy's kind of dumb, but he's kind of smart.
No.
How are you?
Nice. Shit, that's nice. Fuck you, bitch.
What happens when you pull the tape out?
Honey. Why?
And 3 of them.
Why? Look, why should I focus?
Thank God. I was about to give up and be like, about to slap on the tire. Died. There you go.
I thought you knew, bro. What's up,
I didn't think that would matter. Okay, I need that one or this one. Alright, let's see what's inside. Like we're doing the rear rotors after y'all saw that we fucking stripped the bolts, couldn't get the bolts off, and then couldn't get the rotor off. But now we got it after many attempts and many tries. Now this is the last wheel, and then we can fucking go home. I don't want to fuck around. I don't want to move it because that's what I did. There we go. Let's go. Damn, since it's fucking low, I can't get to the lower bolt. Alright, so we finished the install. I'm gonna drill this lot of rotors and the pads. It was, oh, I can't cuss. It was a pain in the ass, but they're on there. Looks nice. And then, so, no, not next week.
You're out.
Yeah, I'm out.
Nah, but next week we're gonna have some Z. We're gonna get a part for the Z. Test fit. No, we're not gonna test fit the wheels, huh? Because you're gonna be gone. We're gonna oil change and get a new part, install that. And the banners, we're gonna make some banners for the cars. Yeah, so stay tuned.
Alright, so like, subscribe, comment, stay tuned in for the next one.